Hello, I am your friend Bamboo. I will help you practice English conversation. Read with me. Lesson 1. Hello. Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Morning. Morning. Afternoon. Afternoon. Evening. Evening. Night. Night. Conversation. Hello, Nisa. Hello, Mike. Good morning, Nisa. Good morning, Mike. Good afternoon, Nisa. Good afternoon, Mike. Good evening, Nisa. Good evening, Mike. Good night, Nisa. Good night, Mike. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Then, your conversation will get better. Listen and repeat. Hello, Nisa. Hello, Mike. Good morning, Nisa. Good morning, Mike. Good afternoon, Nisa. Good afternoon, Mike. Good evening, Nisa. Good evening, Mike. Good night, Nisa. Good night, Mike. Word quiz. Which picture show morning time? Yes, this is the right answer. This picture show morning. Which picture show evening? Yes, this is the right answer. This picture show evening. Which picture show night? Yes, this is the right answer. This picture show night. Conversation quiz. What does Nisa say? Good morning, Nisa. Nisa answer, good morning, Mike or hello morning, Mike. Yes, this is the right answer. Nisa say, good morning, Mike. What does Mike say? Good afternoon, Mike. Then Mike say, the options are good night, Nisa and good afternoon, Nisa. Yes, this is the right answer. Good afternoon, Nisa. You learned very well. Thanks for watching. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.